Hi, I'm Dan Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm here today to talk about the new powered bagger for the Exmark Vertex X-Series stand-on mowers. So as many know, the Vertex X has been a great addition to the Vertex line that has really taken the stand-on professional mowing segment by storm. It has been a great performing machine, and then one of the requests that we had often is, what are we going to do for leaf collection and you know, for being able to collect grass clippings and leaves, and to add versatility to our Vertex. And so this is what Exmark came up with, which is a wonderful machine in a very compact portfolio in a powered bagger. So it is powered by the deck itself, much like an Ultravac on an Exmark laser, where it's gonna power the impeller right from the last spindle on the deck. They've turned the impeller to make it in a more compact unit, and it all sits within the framework of the bagger itself. So you've got great accessibility, visibility for the operator, accessibility to the bagger itself, without being, you know, too big and bulky. And so we've had great performance in this unit in tests and even in production. We've actually heard of customers trading in their Vertex S-Series that they love for a Vertex X, because you can only get this powered bagger in a Vertex X 52 or 60-inch machine. So very excited to have this add to the lineup of the Vertex, to add functionality to these machines that have really been a wonderful performer. And so thank you for spending some time with me today to learn more about this brand new Vertex X-Series powered bagger.
Weingartz, everything.